Hi all, today I'm going to conduct third session under flagship of English Well India, and today's session is going to be cover part of speech and articles. And in this session we are going to just cover basics of part of speech and articles. Later I will illustrate individually each and every segment of part of speech. Today's session is essential. It is just because you need to know. You should have at least basic knowledge of part of speech. Until unless you don't have, it will be really difficult for you to learn English effectively. So let's start. As far as part of speech is concerned, it consists of noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So all these collectively called part of speech. Or you can say all these come under part of speech. All these are ingredients of of part of speech. So what is noun? So noun is the name of a person, place, things. Name of a person means Rajesh, Ramesh, Mahesh, Suresh, Dinesh, Dharmesh, Shahrukh, Karan, Abhay, Beneath, Mahesh, all these, Sarita, Geeta, Meeta, Sita, whatever. And name of a place, India, Australia, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, United States of America, Russia, Brazil, China, and like Mumbai, Delhi, Calcutta, Hyderabad, Chennai. All these are also place. Keshavpur, my village where I'm right now, it is also a village. Then next is things. Things consist of many things. Things are what? Things are, it could be anything like book, chair, table, bottle, watch, mobile. All these are things. And nouns also cover few essential things like quality names also get considered in the noun. Qualities means honesty, truth, wisdom, faithfulness. All these are also come under noun. Next is work. Work choices, professional work like medical profession, engineering profession, civil profession, educational profession. All these are also come under noun. Get considered under noun. And few other things which are significantly contributing as far as noun is concerned. We are going to cover all those also under this. States, some states name. States means sleeping state, right? Relaxation state, life. All these are states. Chilling states. All these are also get considered under noun. And things name, if we will elaborate it, we will classify it further, then it will expand like rivers name like Satluj, Yamuna, Byas, Ganga, Bhagirath, Chenab, Jhelum. All these are rivers name. It is also a noun. Mountains name, Kanchenjunga, Mount Everest, Alps. All these are also noun. Days name, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All these are also get considered as a noun. Month name, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. All these are also get considered as a noun. And groups name, army, class, and team. All these are also get considered as a noun. Natural substances also come under category of noun like gold, silver, manganese, cool, all these are also get considered as a noun. Then what next? And as far as I said, noun is the name of a person. Along with person's name, birds and animals name also get considered as a noun. Like bird, it is kite, it is rabbit, it is buffalo, it is ox, it is cow. All these are also get considered as a noun. So next is pronoun. Pronoun is what? All those words which get used in place of noun, they are considered as, they are called pronoun. Like, just understand through some examples, and it is like, these examples are like, let me, Rama did not come as he was ill. Now Rama did not come as he was ill means, who was ill? Rama was ill. But instead of Rama in this sentence, it has been used he. So he is pronoun here. Clear? He did not played because he was not in city. Rama did not played final match because he was not in city. Of who had not played final match? Rama, and because he was not in city, so instead of Rama, he is get used here. So he is a pronoun here. Once again, another sentence says, Sita failed because she did not read. Sita failed because she did not read. Here, who failed? Sita. And here, instead of Sita, what pronoun has been used? She. So she is pronoun. And rest other part sentences also. He, she, it, they, we. All these are also considered as a pronoun. So next is adjective. What is adjective? Adjective is those word who adds something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. All these are called adjective. So adjective basically qualifies noun and pronoun. Mohan is a good boy. Mohan is a good boy. Here Mohan is a noun, is a good boy. Boy is who? Who is classifying boy? Good. So good is adjective because it is ultimately showing quality of boy, that he is good. He is qualifying that. So it also a noun. Boy is also a noun. So it is qualifying noun. What else? This dog is black. This dog is black. India is free now. So India is free. It is what? Somewhat it is qualifying. India is noun. Qualifying a noun. India is free. So free is adjective here. This dog is black. This dog is black. Means dog is black. So black is here qualifying dog. So black is adjective. Clear? Any doubt? If you all have any doubt, you can put all those in comments, and I'll be grateful to revert all those misconceptions if anybody have anything. Okay, so let's what we have? Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb. What is verb? Verb is a word which shows what subject do, or you can say it is a word which tells something about what a person, place or thing do. Like, in simple language, I would like to let you all know, verb is a word which told what a subject do. Ram goes to school. Now it is Ram goes. What it is? Ram goes. What subject do? Subject is Ram. What Ram do? Ram goes. So goes is verb here. Sita plays. Sita plays. What subject? Subject is Sita here. What she do? Plays. So its plays is a verb. And same thing. He is poor. He is poor. He is poor. So who is? He is. He is subject. Subject is same quality, poorness. So what happened? We have covered till date noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb. Adverb is what? Adverb is a word which qualifies everything except noun, pronoun, and interjection. Interjection is what? Interjection is those words who exhibit some sort of sudden feeling, alas, wow, marvelous, and some sadness, oh my god. All these are come under interjection. So adverb is a word which qualifies everything except a noun, pronoun, and adjective. So let's have what it is, like as far as next one, it is this one is considered. Take an instance, it is like he writes correctly. Here he writes correctly. Writes is a verb. It is modifying a verb, means writes correctly. It is modifying a verb. So correctly is here adverb. And there is he runs very quickly. He runs very quickly. He runs very quickly. Runs is verb. Very quickly. Quickly is here adverb, and very is actually qualifying that. So it is qualifying adverb. So very is here adverb. And the plane flew just over her head. The plane flew just over her head means over her head. So it is qualifying a preposition because over is a preposition. So just is what? Just is a adverb. It is qualifying a preposition. And next is he died just after the doctor had gone.